We're going to jump into 401k plans and how it affects your paycheck here in this video. And we're going to talk with our friend Celeste. She has an annual salary of $36,000. Her company offers a 401k plan, and she's really unsure about this because she thinks it's going to take a lot out of her paycheck. So we're going to do a little experiment here, knowing that income taxes are 15% of her pay, and she's got to enroll at least $100 per month. So the first thing we're going to do here on the left is without investing. So gross monthly pay. Well, if she earns $36,000 a year, if we divide that by 12, that means she earns $3,000 a month. So her gross monthly pay is $3,000. Now, 401k contributions come out pre-taxed. So that comes out of your paycheck before they apply income tax. So if you take out, in this case, she's got no 401k contributions. So $3,000 is what's being taxed. So if we take that $3,000 and we multiply by the 15% of her income tax, Celeste is going to pay $450 a month in income taxes, meaning her net or take-home pay is $2,550. Okay, now we're going to look at it if she invests $100 a month. So she's still earning $3,000 a month, but now they're going to take out $100 for 401k contribution. So that means she's only being taxed on $2,900. So if you take the $2,900 and multiply by the 15%, she's only going to pay $435 in income taxes, and her take-home pay is going to be $2,465. But remember, she now has $100 in her 401k plan. Okay, so let's kind of analyze this a little bit. How much is she saving? This is saving in income taxes by investing in the 401k. Well, she was paying $450 before, and now she's only paying $435 if she invests. So she would save $15 in terms of income taxes, right? That's the smaller amount she would pay. Now, how much less is her take-home pay? Well, it was $2,550, and if she invests, it's going to be $2,465. So her take-home pay is $85 less. So she's got $100 in her 401k, but she's really only losing out on $85. So you're actually, this $15 that you're saving $15 by investing. And yeah, you don't get that $100 now, but later it's going to be better for you. So, okay, let's continue on. Now, let's pretend that her HR rep tells her the company will match 50% of whatever you put in. So she's inspired. Celeste is now going to put in $150 a month to take advantage of the company. So just off on the side here, if Celeste is putting in $150 a month, that means the company is putting in half of that, which is $75 a month, right? That's not bad. That's free money. That's on top of your salary, right? Free money. So let's go back to this table. Now she's investing $150. So her gross pay is still $3,000. She takes $150 to put into the 401k, which means she's being taxed on $2,850. If we take that $2,850 and multiply by the 15% for the taxes, she's going to pay $427.50 in taxes. That makes her take-home pay then, when you subtract these two, $2,422.50. So her take-home pay with the higher investment is $2,422.50 per month. Now let's answer some questions about this. For this new dealio, how much will Celeste contribute to the 401k annually? Well, if she's putting in $150 a month and there are 12 months in a year, if I multiply those together, Celeste is contributing $1,800 a year. Well, if she's contributing $1,800, how much is the company contributing? Well, they're putting in half, so half of $1,800 is $900. You could also have gotten that by taking 75 times 12, because half of 150 is 75, and they're doing that for 12 months. So, next question. How much money total will be invested each year? Well, Celeste put in $1,800. The company is putting in $900. So the total invested will be $2,700. What's the ratio of the company to the total? Company to the total. Well, the company put in $900 a year. This is annually. And there's 27 put it 100 in annually, which is 1/3 or 33%, right? So in a sentence, 1/3 of all contributions come from the company. You could have also said 33%, but I don't like to round when it's not necessary. Okay. Oh, and I just wrote the meaningful sentence. See last slide. Okay. So if Celeste remains with the company for 40 years, she's going to have deposits that sum up to $108,000. Assuming no changes have been made, how much of this amount was provided by the company? Well, we just said that 1/3 of the investment, so 1/3 of the $108,000 would be the company. Well, of means multiply. So if I write this as a multiplication problem, we multiply fractions by going straight across. I have 108,000 divided by 3, which is $36,000. So over the course of 40 years, she gets a free $36,000 from the company. And if you think about it, she's earning $36,000 a year. So by doing this 401k plan, it's like she's getting a whole extra year of salary tax-free from the company.